Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Today's quick tip video is looking at find and replace. It's a great function if you've made a spelling mistake in a document and need to correct it quickly and easily. So we'll go over to my screen and I'll show you how. I'm using a document that I put together for my other business, which is more marketing. This document was designed in Canva. Your documents don't have to have been to edit it. I could have imported a PDF. Of course, I had to make the mistake first. So I chose a word which is all over the document because it's that business's name as well, which is marketing. It doesn't appear incorrectly on this as this is an image and not the wording. But if we go through, marketing is there. Marketing is obviously in the business name there. It's all over the place, really. You can see, make time for marketing. We're going to correct this, and this is how easy it is to do it. These are the great options I showed you last week under the File tab. As you go down here, if we go to Find and Replace Text, or you can see I could have used Control F, click on here, and I'm going to find, I just have to remember how I've misspelt it, luckily it's there, and you can see it's highlighted all the way through the document, the word I've asked it to find. I'm going to replace it with the correct spelling. If there was just one word, I could go through it and just click Replace. But in this case, as I have it so many times, I'm going to click Replace All. And you can see all 70 matches were replaced. So it's telling me exactly what it did. And that's how easy it is. I hope that helped, and I'll see you next week.